What are you doing? Wow, you look like a mess. You look like a mess, Riley. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You look like a mess. Look at you. Riley's helping out. Stop eating snow. Riley, stop eating it. Hey, listen. Riley, can you listen? Riley. I don't know, you're really helping Riley. You're not supposed to eat that. She's eating the snow. Look at that.
Enough.
We asked you to help cleaning the snow, not eating the snow. What are you doing, Riley? That's how you like peeing so often these days. Riley? Riley, what you doing? Listen. Listen, Missy. I'm helping. I'm helping. Come here, Riley. You cold? Are you cold yet? Do you want to go back inside? Tell mommy, are you cold? Are you cold?
digging the wrong spot. Over here, Randy?
She's staring right at the camera. Riley, come here. Helping Daddy? Are you helping? You said you're a good girl. You said you're a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Good job, baby. What's wrong? What's wrong, Riley? What are you doing there? You okay? You okay? Hey, 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 hey. Easy, you're gonna get that. Ay, yeah. Ronnie. Hey, 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 hey. Stop it, stop it. Easy, Mom will take it out for you. No, no, no. Hey! Ronnie, stop. Hey, stop it! No, nope. Okay, let's go. Good job. It is so damn cold, and my dog clearly enjoys the snow. Just want to get back inside, but I am going back. Too cold. Very cold. All right, Riley, let's go. Let's go home. Go back.